Right here I have the perfect shirts that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm going to be reviewing this 5-pack of these nice UPF 50 plus rated long sleeve shirts. And I'm 5'11", 150 pounds, and I got the size medium. Now I do think that this fits me absolutely perfect. You can see the length comes down to a great size, and on the sleeves it doesn't seem too short, making sure that it covers my entire arm and I'm gonna be protected from the sun. Now you can see up close, it comes around the neck at a very nice size here. Not too tight, not too loose, so it's gonna provide a lot of closure, and it is gonna have a nice stretchy neck that's not gonna leave it wrinkled. As you can see, I ended up getting the blue, the gray, this nice neon green, white, and orange. So this 5-pack allows you to have a lot of shirts in your wardrobe to pick throughout the week. Now these are gonna be perfect for hiking, surfing, fishing, hunting, any kind of outdoor sports, and they feel so lightweight and breathable. Very cool. This is going to be made with 100% polyester. I absolutely love the way that this neon one looks. It pops and it's super vibrant, bringing a ton of attention to me. If I am going to be running, it's definitely going to highlight me. So I love the different options of colors they do provide. And you can see the stitching has a raglan sleeve on here, so it's not going to have a seam on the shoulder or anything that's going to irritate you. The seams are going to be going down under the armpit, so that's going to provide you with a lot of comfortability and movement in the shoulders. So as you can see here, I'm flowing freely with my arms, tons of movement, and this shirt just feels very, very comfortable, super, super lightweight. I can barely feel it on me, but I love the way that the seams are. On the inside, they're gonna be stitched in such a way that's gonna eliminate rashing on your body. So it's gonna leave you comfortable if you do end up getting wet or you do have a lot of sweat. These are also gonna be wrinkle-free with this nice polyester fabric, making this very hassle-free when you wanna just grab a shirt. It's perfect for somebody that has a very active lifestyle, and this white is looking so good. I'm definitely gonna be able to wear this with a ton of different outfits, and I love that. On the back here, we're also gonna have a tagless design, so you know that that is not going to chafe in your neck. Lastly, I love this orange. This is gonna be my favorite one, and I can definitely see me wearing this with shorts, jeans, or just anywhere on a hot day, protecting my skin. Definitely bringing something like this on vacation with me whenever I'm on the beach for a long time, and my wife may want to sit out on the beach a little bit longer than me, and I start turning into a lobster, so then I can just throw one of these on, protect my arms, protect my chest, my back, my body, so that I can really preserve myself on a vacation trip at the beach. These are amazing. Go and check these out. They're super comfortable, lightweight, breathable, and I highly recommend these. Check out the other colors, add these to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.